Hi guys, it's currently 12:31 a.m. and the event is in less than 10 hours. So here is a quick rundown of my Claude Code environment, which I use to run a lot of my business right now. On the left, you have Roman Mark II. This is what I call my virtual assistant. I have a bunch of skills here underneath the skills folder, which do a bunch of stuff for me. You can have a look there. Just a real quick overview. I have my .env, which is where I store all my APIs and credentials. I will not show you that for security reasons. So also in here, just a bunch of stuff. We'll go into more detail later. So an example of how I work, you can see here a bunch of stuff which it remembers. I'm going to show you Whisperflow. Hi Claude, can you just show me and explain how we use this environment and what MCPs and skills that we regularly use, what capabilities that you have, and what stuff that we normally work on. Please be concise, speak like a pirate. Okay, so I use Whisperflow then. I talk to my computer a lot, makes me feel like I'm talking to Jarvis, especially when I've got like a bunch of instances open. You can see bypass permission mode is on here, which is potentially risky, although when used in guardrails, it's fine. There are many strict guardrails that I use. Let's look at my Claude.md. Oh, well, let's read this first. Okay, so this be your executive assistant. You talk to me anyway. So it has access to instantly NAN, Google Workspace, Sheets, and ClickUp, right? We've got a bunch of skills that I use, what we normally work on, how it works day to day. I don't normally ask it to talk like a pirate. And yeah, so in my Claude.md, basically it's the system prompt that loads every time that I speak to Claude in an environment. So you can see here that I've generated brand assets, I've got different commands, different skills, and I've built this up over time. It has my clients' information and project information. But yeah, for the purposes of a short demo, I will leave it there and we will go into this more detail later, and I will give you a link to do this for yourselves if you wish. Thank you.